Epic sound time. Sound effects. It's called theater of the mind. It's like you're there. Making fancy movies with all that picture-moving bullshit. Epic sound time keeps it real. I'm on the street. Now I'm on a bus. Now I'm in a plane.
Oh, this is your captain speaking.
That. I'm on a bird. Shh. Now I'm in a cave, and there's a bear sleeping in the cave. We don't want to wake him up. Dad, this is Epic Sound Time. We do what we want. What? Epic Sound Time is at an awards show? First we put a crowd in there, then we slap some background music, then someone presents an award.
The award for most epic sound goes to Epic Sound Time. Now I'm on the mic accepting the award. Thanks.
What do you know about sound effects? Lightsaber battles? Next time, we listen to some advice.